This is the Chester Flash. This is Chester Flash with the Batman DCeased unbox. You better watch it. I got my eyes on you.
Hello everyone. I will be assisting my son here, Chaz the Flash, in opening this box for his unboxing. Alright, son. Let's see what we got. Can you hold the camera?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Alright, I think I got it. This off. And we're ready.
Just look at the box back. I mean, like, I want to know what's in no mouth. Is that what kind of black stuff? And I don't that eye, the skin. I'm like, looks creepy. It's creepy. I see why you have to be older than 8 to open this. Yeah, this gotta be for older kids right here. But it's a cool box. I gotta say that. Open it in 3, 2, 1. Oh, whoa. I'm already seeing something cool. We got a Joker. Clean little Joker. Hang that on some stuff. And we have this. Another Joker.
Cool. I wonder what Funko Pop you got.
And we have a sticker of Batman. And we have the Joker Funko Pop. Now this right here is clean. I gotta say. I can't open this. Like, I can sell this for about 50. I'll say about 50. Or go less than 50. Because this stuff right here is clean. Yeah. We'll be coming back. We have another one, but we're gonna be doing that, later. Wish I could open another one right now. Sight! I gotcha! I got another one that I'm finna open. I'm not opening it later. Who will open one of these later? You think I'm weird? I'm not weird. I'm opening this right now. And yes, my dad did help me open this box. I did not, because I do not know how to do that. So we're finna open this cool box. Please don't be the same thing. Please don't be the same thing. Please don't be the same thing. Sorry, I love popping. We got a Joker stick. Ooh. We got oh, please don't hurt me. Please.
No.
Please.
Not another one.
No.
The same one. The same one. Well.
Y'all did me wrong. Y'all did me wrong, bro. Y'all did me wrong. Y'all just gonna give me the same thing?
Oh my
Joker,
goodness.
I don't need to. I'm selling this. I'm definitely gonna sell this. I don't need to. I'm selling it. Selling it. Whoever wants this, because I'm not keeping all of this. Hello, everybody. We're doing a death metal series. I know, right? So first, we got Robin King. You know, kind of look like the Joker, but you got the Robin. He got the thing, bro. It's clean with it. Yeah, that's clean. Get my glasses right. That's a big dude right there. That's a big man. This is... Hold on. Is he on there? No, he's not on that side. This is... Superman. This don't look like no Superman. Oh no, I don't think he's powerful enough. That do not look like no Superman. To the next part now. Now we have got Wonder Woman. This look like this look like a scary woman. Oh no, I don't think she came from the death. Yeah, she got thunder back there. Look, got the rocks. Look like she done killed people. Disappointed, but kind of cool. Don't look like the real Wonder Woman, the real Superman, and the real Robin. But now we're gonna have Batman. I need a question. What is that? Now, I don't know what to say. But, this Batman looks clean. I like the jacket. It looked like he finna do some rock and roll, but also kill people. Looks clean, looks clean. If you collect all of these, you get Dark Father Batman. And he defeated, everybody give me a drum roll, please, Dark Side. And he took his powers. Batman, he all that. He is all that. Good job, Batman.